Tell me you do tile without telling me you do tile. This hand will show you 2 reasons. First of all, I got this callus right here. Big old callus. But 25 years grabbing that trowel, troweling it on over and over. Yesterday we floated a big shower. There you go. Big callus right there. Another way you can tell you do tile is right here. Here's my hand that grabs the trowel, and I'm opening my hand up, and this little finger right here does not want to open. He is stuck like that. Different mornings I wake up and my hand is fine, but this finger won't open. Heard it's called trigger finger. Once I tried to just pry it open with my other hand and it hurt so bad. Took a while before the pain went away. So I figured out a way how to get my hand to open without causing pain. So I don't know if you have this problem, if you ever have trigger finger or something like this, but how I do it to get it to open without pain is I put it on something round like that and it pries it open very easily without pain. So I just go like this, put it on there, put it around there, and if I push down, there you go. You can hear it, a little pop, and there it goes. And now it'll open normally. It's a little sore. It's a little sore right now, but within about a couple minutes, it'll be back to normal. But that's the trick. If it's stuck like that, you just put it on something cylinder, push it down. Once it's around there up, you can just go like that and it'll pop it right open. That's how you can tell I do tile. Let me know in the comments what the tile industry has blessed you with. Want to hear about it? Make sure you subscribe for the best tile content.